Shopkin book, Shopkin bag, a Shopkin refrigerator, and a Shopkin box. But I already opened it. Let's start opening. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Very hard to open these. There we go, I got some of it off. I need some help. There we go.
What's in there?
These are all the Shopkins. One fell though. Dog, 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 dog. Yay! Another Toasty Pop. Oh no, here comes a baby.
Oh, what's that one?
I have no idea. We have to look up. There we go. His buddy, the fruit tart. Ice cream, my favorite. Mop. Bread. Flour. Another bag. I think the dogs are ready to come inside now.
Show us.
Let's start looking at all the Shopkins. This is the baby one.
Oh, so cute.
Fluffy. Ice cream. Toasty Pop. Okay, I forgot his name. Molly Mops. A fruit tart. Whatever this is. That's a lizard. Flower. And a high heel. I think her name's Wedgie Winner.
Yeah. What's that?
Let's open the mystery Shopkins now. We got 4 bags with that. We need scissors.
Scissors.
Open these bags.
Run over and grab the scissors off the counter.
Okay. These are very sharp.
Be very.
Wait, I have to move away from that Shopkin. Yeah, these are hard to open.
You need help?
Yes. Please.
Okay. I can help you. Sometimes it helps to pull it out.
Oh.
And then do this. Do you want me to cut the other one and then
Yeah.
you can reveal at the same time? So this one got 2 mystery bags?
Yep. Oh, this. I think it's paired on the season. And I got another baby one. Baby's wipes.
Is it fuzzy?
Yep, they're all fuzzy. And a rare one that I already got.
Cool. Let's sell it so we can buy more Shopkins.
Okay. 2 babies. Fluffy. Now let's open the Shopkin refrigerator.
Show everybody what it looks like in the box.
Very, very, very big. Hey, it even comes with stickers. You can shoot the Shopkins down. See what you got.
I think you can decorate the fridge with the stickers.
I think so too. Dang! Get off tape. Mama, I think we need the scissors again.
Where did we put them?
Wait, no, open. Okay, so now let's figure out how to get this off. Oh,
Ooh.
okay, first we have to undo these.
Good luck to you.
I need scissors!
Okay, we can pause this and I'll just start again.
We can't.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, you're gonna make a part 2?
Yeah. I'll make a part 2 for you. Okay?
Or you
All
could
right,
just,
let's teamwork this.
or you could just add it all together.
Yeah, I can figure that out.
Or just.
Okay, let's get all this garbage out of here so we can
There's more stuff.
have room to see it work.
Okay,
Oh,
now
there's a
start the new round.
Hold on, I gotta get the stickers out. Alright.
We're ready to start the new round.
Yeah, in a minute. Get everything out and then I'll start, okay?
Let's add it all together.
Yeah.
Let's add this thing all together.
Oh, look at the little eggs.
Yeah, these are some of the Shopkins you can get for the frozen Shopkins frozen.
Here's one.
Okay, we need to make the part 2 for Mom's.
Okay.
I just need those like that.
Alright, so let's get all this over here. Garbage.
No, not these. So I can show them.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
You ready?
No, wait. Where's the cup?
You ready?
Almost. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
So this is the refrigerator that it looks like. There's some of elastics in it. You have to open the box to get it out, and it's really, really hard. Gonna pop this soda, pop this yogurt. Now we have to get these eggs out. I wonder how we're gonna do that. Oh, there's more elastics. Really easy way to get these out is by doing this. I need to get like that.
Is that how we do it?
You can put it back on probably.
Here, let your assistant get that for you.
Mama's my assistant. 1 egg. Let's put them in the bag so they don't roll out all over the place.
Oh, what are these? Did these come with it?
Yep. And they're rare. There's 6 eggs. Oops, I dropped one. Go in the bag. 1 more egg. Rip it up. Pop it.
Ah, the egg got away. There's your egg. How many eggs are there?
6.
Okay.
Okay, another one. This egg just wants to keep on rolling everywhere. How about we put it in the cup? Jeff, your tummy's filling. Oh, there's more elastics. This is like a little teeter-totter for them.
Oh, for the eggs?
Teeter-totter, teeter. You're supposed to spin this to make them move. Put it in the fridge. I just ripped it out, so you have to put it back in the fridge. And you're supposed to set them. You can set them on this tray.
Show how the up and down works.
freezer works.
So I'm gonna take one of these Shopkins. I'm gonna put the, oh my,
Goodness, another elastic.
yep. I'm gonna put one in here. I'm gonna show you how the cup thing works, and then we can finish all the eggs. Or Mom, do you want to do that?
Put the eggs back in?
Yep. When I show them how to work the ice cream,
Okay.
you're supposed to grab the cup. Do this. You catch it.
Oh, so cool. It goes into that cup.
Let me try it again with one of my new ones. The glitch one. The really cool one. Put in here. So it's ready to drop. Look at that, my mom's so fast. And she landed on her feet, yay. Probably the dogs can come in, Mom.